What's up, everybody? It's your boy Deanna Sylvester back on the channel, just showing some love. Hey, I want to give a shout out, man, with this PWA, the partner with Anthony program. Man, let me tell you, I've been in this industry for a while with network marketing, multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, and to be honest with you, with this program, why I joined it is because I looked at the track record of Anthony Morrison that he had, him and his brother, and they laid down an actual business, laid down a company, built an actual company. I've heard of when you become an affiliate marketer and you join and you get the link with different companies, you want to feel like if I'm doing something to give word of mouth advertising, if I share my link, I want to be confident that I'm going to get paid, and I feel that with the company we're partnering with, and then the products is like second to none. Once you start to get inside it, it's just nuts what's offering for a company. It's like when if you bought anything from like Amazon, how many of you bought something from Amazon before? More than once. It's like addictive. It just happens, and that's how it is with PWA. Once you get into the program and you see, like, I can build an actual business around this thing with what he's teaching, and oh man, and you putting these things together like a puzzle, and you building this business. It's ridiculous what's happening. So, I mean, I've been part of other companies before, but I didn't have that tangible type of puzzle that I can put together piece by piece, all in house, and it makes sense, and I feel confident in what it is that I would love to share with you what's in it. But I hit my link. I'm gonna give you a free course in it, so you can get a taste of it for yourself. What it is, because it's just great to learn from this guy, man. Anthony, the way he teaches, I put it like this. I'm from Chicago, so Jordan, it was the man. From the beginning, I was there from rookie year. I've just been, I've just been down. I've loved Chicago, even when it was, artists, Gilmore. You know what I'm saying, and Reggie Theus. Orlando Ward. I don't know this. I'm talking about before Jordan. But anyway, I'm truly a Bulls fan. But Michael Jordan had greatness as a player. He was a great player. But it wasn't until he had a great coach coupled with a great system called that triangle. So when you put that triangle, which was created, and then you put that coach, which was Phil Jackson, together, and then you put that great player in that, you got all those championships. So I couple PWA as the triangle, and then I couple Anthony Morrison as Phil Jackson, and man, I'm that player. And you that player, you know what I'm saying? You the all-star player. And if you looking at affiliate marketing, how you can make money online, and you're like, look, I know what's going on. A lot of people working from home, a lot of people out of work. Like, man, how can I do this? What PWA, what you get in that system, man, is the nucleus that's in it. Once you dive into it, put yourself into it, and fully engulf yourself into what the affiliate marketing is and how he teaches you step by step on how to market and promote what it is that you offer, not just his product or service, but there's things that you offer as well. You're learning from the Phil Jackson, and he's giving you this playbook, man. It's just absolutely ridiculous. Partner with Anthony, it's a no-brainer. I mean, if any of you guys ever put your name in an email somewhere online, that's a funnel. You know what I'm saying? And a funnel basically means you gave your email and somebody's sending you emails following up with you. That's just how online business works. You put your email somewhere. But imagine a person that's teaching you not only how to put strategically these places where you put what people give you their email, but how to monetize it. Imagine if you had 10,000 people on your email list and somebody taught you how to get $1 from each person on your list every month. See, that's why you need to partner with Anthony. That's what you get. Those are some crazy things that you get from it. And I'm gonna leave you with that though. But is to get more, get the free course. I'm gonna throw you the free course. Just click the link down below and get a partner with Anthony. Man, you will be glad that you did. And you be the Michael Jordan or the Kobe or whoever it may be, whoever that superstar is. You need that coach and you need that playbook. PWA, that's the triangle. Anthony Morrison, that's Phil Jackson. You the missing piece. You the play. Click the link. Get in the game. Start making some of this affiliate money. You're gonna be laughing all the way to the bank. Trust me. All right. Talk to y'all later. Peace.